Hi friends, and welcome to Airdropspot. In this video, we are going to be interacting with Zenchain Incentivized Testnet. We previously did a Twitter thread on Zenchain, and if you prefer thread to video, you can check it out, link in the comment section. So to get started with Zenchain Testnet, you need to first join the waitlist. So here is the waitlist website. You find all the links that you need in the comment section. So you are going to click on Get Access. To join the waitlist, you need to submit your email address, then the wallet address that you intend to use for the testnet. Complete the captcha and then tap on submit. So I'm quickly going to do that. I'll pause my recorder. Now, after submitting your details, you have successfully joined the testnet waitlist. Now we are going to visit the faucet. On this faucet, you are going to paste your wallet address, and if you tap on receive ZCX token instantly, you are going to get 1000 ZCX token. However, if you want to be able to get double, that is 2000 ZCX token, you are going to tap on share on X, and it takes you to where to share a post on Twitter. And once you are done sharing your post on Twitter, you are to copy the link of that post and then submit it on Zenchain. So that is what I am doing now. I am copying the link. I am back on the Zenchain Faucet and I will paste the link to the post that I just made on Twitter. And then tap on request ZCX. But when I did this, it did not accept the Twitter link that I pasted. So I had to refresh the page and then just paste my wallet address and get 1000 test tokens instead of 2000. So now that I have the test token, I'm going to visit the Zenchain staking website to go and stake some tokens. When you get here, you want to connect your wallet, and if this is your first time of accessing this website, you are only going to see the claim button. But because I have interacted with this website before, that is why you can see claim, stake and unstake. But the only button that we want to interact with in this video is the stake button, so I'll click on that. And the first options that you have here is to choose your staking options. If you choose compound, it means that your staking reward will be added back into your staked tokens. And if you choose to your account, it means that you'll be able to claim the reward into your wallet address, and to another account means you want to receive the staking reward to a different address that you will provide. And here I am just going to make things easier for myself and then choose optimal selection, which means that the system is going to choose who my validator is going to be. Then I'm going to tap on continue. And on this page, you are to enter the amount of ZCX tokens that you want to stake. So I have about 1800. I will be staking about 8000. I'll click on continue. On this page, here is a summary of every selection that you have made. Since I don't want to change anything, I'll just tap on start staking and confirm the transaction in my wallet. The transaction is processing and the staking is successful. Next, we are going to join the Zenchain quest. So I'll paste the link in another tab. Tap on join now. Then connect your wallet to the quest site. You have to complete captcha verification to be able to start completing the quests. You'll notice that I have done some of these quests before. That's because Zenchain quest is like 98% social task and then 2% testnet tasks. Okay, so the ones that I have done are very simple quests like connecting your Discord, your Twitter, your Telegram, changing your X username, joining Zenchain Discord channel. And I don't even need to do them in this video. So we are just going to move on to what I consider more technical, the most technical here, and that is to deploy a smart contract. Now I'll click on this task to get started. Let's read the instruction. It says you have to submit your transaction hash after deploying your smart contract right here. You will notice that I have switched over to using a computer, and that is because the website we are going to use to deploy a smart contract doesn't work on mobile. Throughout yesterday, I tried to look for mobile-friendly options, but I could not see, and I have to resort to doing it here. So we'll first visit Zenchain Documentation. And before we head over to remix.ethereum.org, we are going to copy this Solidity code on the documentation page. Tap on the copy icon to copy it. And then scroll back up. And then tap on that Ethereum link, remix.ethereum.org, or you can simply just type that on your browser separately. If your network is not very good, this site actually takes very long to load, so take that into consideration. So the website is fully here, and so the first icon on the sidebar menu, that is where I am, and you want to interact with this icon. If you hover on it, you'll see create new file. So in that box, type in helloworld.sol. Type it exactly as I am typing it here. Then press enter. It is going to open up the terminal for you by the right. So you want to go to the terminal, and that code that we copied before coming here, you are going to paste that code in the terminal. Now don't press enter. Instead, go to the third icon on the sidebar menu, the one that looks like a reload button. That is the compiler icon. And you want to tap on advanced configurations. And where you see default, that drop down, tap on it and then choose Shanghai. Then scroll down and then choose compile helloworld.sol. You see hello world 2 on my end because I have done some compilations before. Once you see that your compiler icon have that orange color, that means the compilation is done. Now go to the next icon next to the compiler. Now, before we do anything here, let's quickly go into my MetaMask wallet, because you need to ensure that you are on the right chain before you do your deployment. For example, if your wallet is on Ethereum mainnet, then the gas fee will be deducted on Ethereum. So make sure that you are on Zenchain. Now, we are on the deploy tab. Click on Remix VM dropdown and then choose injected provider MetaMask. Once you do that, you are going to receive a prompt to connect your wallet. Mine is already connected. To ensure that you are seeing your wallet address in the second drop-down, and then tap on deploy. Now, once you tap on deploy, you are going to receive a prompt in your wallet to confirm the transaction. Click on confirm. The transaction is successful and we have been able to deploy a smart contract successfully. Now, for you to be able to see your transaction hash, scroll down and then tap on deployed contracts. Tap on that drop down. Then tap on message so that you can see every information regarding the smart contract that you just deployed. So you are meant to see that information at the bottom part of the terminal here. So I will expand it so that we can see all the needed information. Now I'm going to scroll to the top. So here we are. I have seen the transaction hash that we are here to copy, and that is like the third line on this page. I'm going to highlight it. Okay, so this is the transaction hash, and I'm going to click on the copy icon beside it. After copying the transaction hash, I am back on the ZenQuest site. I am back here and I am going to click on that task again and submit the transaction hash. I'll click the complete button. And this task has been completed successfully. The next task is to join Zenchain Telegram channel. I have actually done that previously, but I am yet to claim the reward here. So I tapped on the task and then I am tapping on complete. However, I got an error message when I tried to complete this task. I got an error message, so I had to go back to my profile to check whether I have connected my Telegram account to my profile. And I've actually done that. I have connected all requested socials. Okay, so that means this is not my fault, and I will try again another time to be able to claim the point for this task. All the remaining tasks on this page are Discord roles, and that requires quite a lot of grinding on Discord for you to be able to get roles. And it is when you have those roles on Discord that then you now come here and claim the reward. I will not be grinding for the Discord roles, and even if I had decided to do that, it would be quite impossible for me to be able to do everything and then have it featured in this video. Okay, so I won't be able to do anything about the rest of the social tasks except one, and that is the get human role on Discord. I'm going to find that. So we have get human role in Discord. So before I complete this one, I'm first going to go to Zenchain Discord server and then check whether I have the role or not. So to know whether you have a role in any Discord server, find any of their channels and then drop a message. And once you drop a message, tap on your profile picture and then you see every information about your account, including all the roles that you have. So right here it shows that I have human role. Then I can go ahead and then claim the points for this task on Zenchain. But then for the benefit of those who may not have the role, how do you get the human role? Go back to the server and then tap on the server profile picture. Then scroll down until you see linked roles. Tap on it. And then you can see the role here. If you check, you'll see that mine has the blue tick. It is verified. I have the role. Now, if you have not done this verification before, you are not going to have that blue tick. So if you don't have that blue tick, you have to tap on that role, human, and then it takes you to the bot where you are going to complete your facial verification. That is required for you to have the human role. And once you complete the verification, you have the role. Come back to Zenchain and then claim your reward for having this role. Okay, so let's go back to Zenchain and then see the requirements for getting every other Zenchain role. So I'm going to find the role channel. This is it here. I'll tap on it. And then you can see a list of all of the roles that they have in Zenchain Discord server. And then you can see the definition of each role. That is what is required for you to do before you get each role. So if you wish to complete any or all of the remaining social quests on Zenchain, now by coming here and then reading the details, there is a lot of roles here and you can read their requirements. So by coming here, you will know what you are expected to do for you to have each role. So you can decide on which one you want to earn, and if you have the strength, you can grind for everything. Okay, that brings us to the end of Zenchain Incentivized Testnet tutorial. I hope this video have been helpful to you in one way or another. If your answer is yes, then do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and also join us on Telegram and Twitter. You will find all the links that you need for your convenience in the comment section. Drop a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.